संदेशना सोशल मीडिया पटेल प्रहलाद भाई
An unexpected blast of winter weather swept across Ontario, bringing heavy snowfall, strong winds, and a sudden drop in temperatures. The storm arrived quickly, turning fall scenery into a winter landscape in just a few hours. Early morning commuters woke up to snow-covered roads, frozen windshields, and limited visibility, forcing many to change their plans. Across the Greater Toronto Area and southern Ontario, snow accumulated rapidly. Neighborhoods that were clear the previous evening were buried under a layer of white by morning. Drivers struggled to maintain control on slick roads, especially those who had not yet switched to winter tires. Traffic slowed to a crawl, and multiple minor collisions were reported due to sudden icy patches and reduced visibility. Public transportation also experienced delays as buses and streetcars moved cautiously through the storm. City road crews were dispatched earlier than expected this season, working through the night to clear major routes. Snowplows and salt trucks focused on highways and main intersections first, but side streets remained covered well into the morning. Pedestrians face slippery sidewalks, and with temperatures dropping below freezing, untreated areas quickly turn to ice. Residents were reminded to shovel early and apply salt before the snow compacted into hard ice, making cleanup much more difficult. The storm also introduced dangerous lake-effect snow bands. These fast-moving bursts of intense snowfall hit certain areas without warning, cutting visibility to near zero and creating whiteout conditions.
London.
Drivers crossing from clear stretches of road into these bands encountered sudden walls of blowing snow, making travel unpredictable and hazardous. Weather agencies warned that even after the main storm passed, these lake-effect squalls could continue for hours, especially near Lake Huron and Georgian Bay.
I'm taking a video.
The cold air that followed the snowfall was sharp and persistent, Temperatures dropped to freezing and stayed low, preventing the snow from melting. Wind chills made conditions feel significantly colder, reinforcing the reality that winter had arrived early. For many residents, it was a shock, as the seasonal change usually happens gradually. This time, fall transitioned into winter almost overnight.
3 o'clock in the morning.
In residential neighborhoods, homeowners spent much of the day clearing driveways and walkways. Shoveling wet, heavy snow required effort, and some residents expressed concern about the ice forming underneath.
Don't go down there.
With the first major snowfall arriving earlier than usual, many people realized their winter preparation was incomplete. Snow brushes, salt bags, and winter clothing had to be found sooner than planned.
London, Ontario. 3 o'clock in the morning. 10 after 3.
For airports, the snowfall caused operational challenges, with crews clearing runways and de-icing aircraft. While widespread cancellations were avoided, passengers experienced delays and schedule changes.
It's coming down pretty hard, actually.
Those traveling by road were advised to take extra time, reduce speed, and avoid unnecessary trips until conditions improved. Although the worst of the storm has passed, the aftermath continues. The combination of residual snow, freezing temperatures, and lake effect squalls means that roads may remain slippery and travel could still be affected. Winter has made its presence known early, and Ontario must now adjust to the colder weeks ahead.